Introducing our premium OEM baby cotton swabs. Welcome to a world of excellence, where your brand meets the epitome of baby care. Today, we unveil our bespoke OEM services for baby cotton swabs, crafted to elevate your brand to new heights. Our baby cotton swabs are born in pristine medical-grade environments, ensuring purity and safety at every touch. Designed for perfection, our swabs resist shedding and maintain their integrity, providing a reliable tool for delicate care. Imagine your brand's identity seamlessly integrated. From vibrant packaging to personalized features, our OEM services offer a spectrum of customization options. At every step, our commitment to excellence shines through because your brand deserves nothing less. Elevate your brand with our OEM baby cotton swabs, where quality meets customization. Contact us today, and let's embark on a journey to redefine baby care together.
Wiener Medical.